Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Face ID to securely access your banking apps on your iPhone, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable this convenient biometric authentication feature. Step 1. Ensure Face ID is set up on your iPhone by going to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode, and verifying that Face ID is configured. Step 2. Open the banking app for which you want to enable Face ID authentication on your iPhone. Step 3. Navigate to the app's settings or security settings, usually found in the menu or profile section. Step 4. Look for options labeled Biometric Login, Face ID, Touch ID, and Face ID, or similar security features. Step 5. Toggle on the Face ID option to enable biometric authentication for the app. Step 6. You may be prompted to enter your banking password or PIN to verify your identity before enabling Face ID. Step 7. Follow any additional security prompts required by your bank, such as agreeing to terms and conditions for biometric authentication. Step 8. Test the Face ID feature by closing the app completely and reopening it. Your face should be scanned automatically for authentication. If Face ID fails, you can still use your password as a backup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.